I am part of the NASA Hunch team, partnering with Grand Rapids Community College, Secchia Institute of Culinary Education.
The reason we need to develop a healthy food for astronauts in space that includes a lot of fiber is because in a zero-gravity environment, your body goes under different changes.
Some physiological changes that occur in microgravity are gut digestion and retaining your physical body that you have on Earth as well and in space. NASA gave us the theme of ethnic soup or stew. So our recipe is an Austrian state stew.
Originally the stew was primarily a beef and potato stew with cayenne pepper.
To meet NASA's restrictions, we added in beans, pickles. Having it lower in sodium helps to not retain as much water weight when you are up in space, and increasing the fiber intake helps improve gut digestion. We pictured the astronauts consuming it by being dehydrated and then rehydrated using water and being heated up using a heat pack.
They are 6 to 8 ounces and can only contain 150 to 350 calories.
It tastes great. I love it. I mean, I've been eating it on and off for like 7 months.
During our preliminary, we placed in the top 10, so now we get to fly down to Houston to the Johnson Space Center food labs to compete among the top 10 teams.
If our recipe wins and we get first, our recipe will be prepared by scientists and flown to the International Space Station to then be consumed by astronauts in microgravity. I really think we have a shot at potentially winning. I would be absolutely over the moon if we got first. That would be amazing if this gets to happen.